What happened? You stepped on a rock? Are you okay?
No.
No. The what? There was a bug in the car. Did you get it out? Did you get it out? Yes? Good. Are you safe? Where? I don't see any more bugs. No bugs. Kenzie, what you doing? Sitting in your chair? Yes. You wanna see? There's Carly Ray. Oh. Hi.
Hi.
Wanna say hi? Hi. Show me your car. Show me your car. No, don't climb on me, please. Thank you. Yay! Hi. Hi, neighbor person. There's a neighbor guy. Hi. Bye. That's Warren. Mm-hmm. A rock? You gonna go on the slide? Whee! 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 The doggy pooped? Oh. Your foot? You got another rock? Careful. You found a rock? Oh, leave the water alone, honey. That's Coda's water. Tell Coda to drink it. Say good boy, Coda. All done. All done, dog food. Oh, there's a fly that keeps touching you. Ha ha ha. What's on your hand? Let me see.
Hey, Mama.
Oh, that's dirty, huh? Did you get your hand dirty? I don't want it. What are you gonna do? Oh, there you go. No problem. Yeah. What? Carly, right? Yeah. Yeah. Where are you going? Huh? Are you going bye-bye? Huh? What's up, girl? Are you gonna come cry to me? You gonna cry to me, honey? What's the matter? Look, there's a fly. Shoo fly. Hey, shoo fly. You're cranky, huh? Are you a cranky goose?
Papa, the fight.
What?
Papa, the fight.
You gonna go on the slide?
Papa, the fight.
Up on the slide? The bug is on the slide?
Yes.
There's a bug on the slide? Oh my goodness. What are you gonna do? A bug?
The fight.
On the slide? Look at Kenzie. What's that, Kenzie? Are you stuck? Oh, there's a bug. Say shoo fly. Shoo fly, don't bother. What is it? What is it? Did you get scared? Are you okay? You okay? Come here. What happened? Did you get scared? Did you get scared from the bug? Yes. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah. You're tired, Bear. Am I tired, baby?
The bug.
The bug got you? I don't know why or how. Kenzie! Look at Kenzie. Is that funny? Oh, so easily entertained are we? Mommy's getting tired too. Can we go to bed early tonight? The bug? The bug bit you? Here, wipe your nose. You okay? You're silly, Kenzie. Are you silly? What are you gonna do? You're in the chair. The bug. What are you gonna do? Are you sitting in your car now? Oh, how nice.
See the bug.
Where's the bug? I think it's gone now. Can't see, you're cracking me up.
The bug.
What are you doing, silly?
The bug.
Alright, I'm gonna end this video. It's too long.